Hello, I'm Josh with Elite Construction and Foundation Repair based out of Milwaukee. And today what we're doing is we're using the EZ38 to excavate some foundation repairs. So one foundation repair is going to be removing an old wall and rebuilding new. The other foundation repair is kind of an addition. We'll be turning a crawl space into a full-size 8-foot depth, 13-course basement. We're using the EZ38 to get the soil out, which we'll then be putting into the WL60, which will then carry the soil out to the quad, and quad will remove the soil from the site. We are using the EZ38 based on its reliability, its power, and its strength. It's also very, very easy to operate. So the controls are not complicated, they're very sensitive. So if we need to move a matter of inches, it'll move a matter of inches without too much slop or too much sway, causing damage to things around it. We're using the WL60 for a number of important reasons. Obviously, the size of the bucket. We don't want to make multiple trips with a small bucket. The second important reason is that it has its lifting capability to reach into a full-size quad axle dump truck, which is very important because we need to be able to get that soil into a bigger truck. So we're also making less trips with a smaller truck. Easy functionality, its reliability, the strength, it has a lot of power. We're not really going to get, too much bogging out of this machine. It's going to handle everything that we throw at it.